So, I have built a total of 1 Technics Lego set, and now I will build my second Technics Lego set, which is the enormous TVM. I don't know how it's gonna go, but the pieces are very well sorted. I have the instructions, and most importantly, I have my wine. Okay, here we go, step 1. 8 of those, and 1 of those, and 1 of those. There's a long way to go. 8 of these ones. That's 3. 1 of those ones. Easy, no problem. All right, I will complete step 1 and then we'll move to time lapse because otherwise we'll be here for hours. How many hours? I don't know. we will find out. Okay, 8 of these, 1 of these. I hope I don't mess up the first step. That would be a bad start. So far, easy. Where does this go? Find out later. Nice that there's a picture, but it's hard to know where it ends up. Look at that. Step 1, complete. How many more to go? I don't know. How many more are there?
Roughly 900.
900 more to go, roughly. Okay, we'll see you later. Okay, I have made it to step 100. I have finished step 105, and I am now gonna stop. It's been an hour and a half. Not too bad. Check out this thing. It's like a rectangle connected to rectangles with little spinny bits in the middle. I'm not quite sure why I did this side, a little extension here, but not this side, but I'll find out later. The next thing I'm gonna do has this piece in it, which is not related at all to the sticks and squares, which is what I've done so far. And I'm almost out of wine, so call it a day. Okay, so I've made it to step 161, so that's about about 55 more steps. It probably wasn't very exciting to watch because all I did was add a bunch of things in here, gears and connectors and things. But it's great because now when I spin this guy here, everything spins. Working so far. Anyways, I'm gonna take another break. See you later. It's another day for Lego building. I am starting at 162nd step. It's looking a little jazzy here. Using boxes and straight pieces and I don't know. It's unclear how the next step is gonna fit in with this device, but I guess we'll see. Oh, maybe it's the cutter head. Yeah, I think we're starting the cutter head. Okay, so another day, another drink, and a bit more Lego. Okay, so I finished this little jazzy piece here. One step 180. And it's like, what? this attaches to this. Okay. You turn this around. Yep. And then I turn this around. And then they go together. Oh yeah. These two, oh, but that kind of swings. Okay, sure. And then that guy. Yeah, okay. Good job, Damien. These guys go there. And these guys go there. Yes, you can kind of barely see that. Oh. That's great. Look at that. That cutter head has started to be attached. Amazing. I have made it to step 190, where I added 114 of these conveyor belt pieces, and it's awesome. I was a bit confused as to where to go, but actually when you flip it over, it's like relatively clear where it goes around, goes underneath these guys, goes underneath these guys, and then hooks around at the end here. But you can still see this like yellow-red piece. So pretty straightforward. I decided to feed it in upside down and then flip it over to continue feeding it across. And then I hooked it at the top. It's great. Now check it out. Rotate this guy. Everything moves. Also, I have seen this tunnel boring machine for many, many hours, and I never realized that there's a slight ramp on the inside. Things you discover when you build. Wow, okay, so I've just finished building the cutter head. It was great. Pretty straightforward, lots of different steps. I'm on step 330 now. Adding the buckets was the best part. But yeah, how cool was that? It's a little bit front heavy right now, but very awesome. Sweet. Well, I have just finished step 516. I'm in the process of building the gearbox for the tunnel boring machine creation. And I have to say, when I create the side units and then the instruction is to put it together, it's a bit daunting because it's hard to know where it goes, but it's so satisfying when it all clicks in together. Look at that. All clicked in together there. And when I spin one of these, one of those spins, it's fab. You'll enjoy it. Wow, I'm on step 699 and I've just connected the two big pieces and it's extremely satisfying how it all comes together. And you just attach a few additional pieces and now it's one giant piece. Honestly, it's great. Look forward to step 699. I've just finished building the tunnel boring machine part and it's pretty awesome. There were some tricky steps towards the end, a couple finicky guys around here, but it goes together. It's yeah, and it's great and it works. Yeah, it's awesome. So now on to the side loading truck, dump truck. So I'm about to start the accompanying truck and it looks very sweet. And I thought it was going to be quite simple, but actually when I look at the number of parts left, it seems like there's still a long way to go. So I'm quite looking forward to it. Let's see how this little guy gets built. I'm done! GoPro, stop recording. It doesn't even stop, it never listens to me, GoPro. Should I say something else?
No, you don't have to. Well done.
It's been very good.
I'm very impressed, Carolyn.
It's been awesome! 878 steps. Only a few corrections. Bye.